everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So our today's video would be a visual perception activity. Visual perception activities basically can help a child to make sense of information that eyes are sending to the brain. So our today's activity will help the child to build concentration, eye and hand coordination, logical thinking, and of course this would be a superb activity to enhance focus in our kids. So now let's get started, but before starting, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular updates of our upcoming videos. So for this activity, I'm simply using a cardboard here, and then I have cut it down this in triangular shape. Here I have mentioned some random colors, and along with this, all other things that you will be requiring to do this activity are some of these triangular shape cutouts. On each of this triangular cutout, I have mentioned 3 colors. So now let's see how we are supposed to brief this activity to our child. So we will start from this corner and we'll look around for these 2 colors, yellow at its bottom, pink at its left. So if I take this one, this has the same specification, yellow at its bottom and pink at its left. So I'll place it here. Now in the whole activity, we are going to follow a pattern of normal triangle, then reverse, normal, reverse like this. So now I will take a reverse direction with this green color. So if I take one triangle which accompanying this green color, then here we go. Now the next should be this yellow and green, but in normal direction. So if I take this one, here we go. The next would be a reverse triangle, and here we go. And in the next one, I'll be finding one triangle in normal direction. What this purple color? So here we go. In the next one, we will find one reverse triangle, but with this brown color. So here we go. And here I will find one triangle which is fulfilling all these 3 colors, blue, purple and red. So I'll put it here like this. Same, we will move forward and find one triangle which has orange at its left and red at its bottom. So if I take this one, so I'll put it here. In the next one, I'll find one triangle in reverse direction but has a black color to match with. So here we go. And the next one, I'll find one triangle in normal direction which has this green color at its left and this orange color at its bottom. So if I take this one, here we go. In the next one, again I will find one triangle with the yellow color specification but in reverse direction. And here there should be one triangle which has this pink, green and black. So if we take this one, here we go. If we move forward, we'll find this red and orange. So I'll put it here. The next one should be this pink color, so but in reverse direction. And the next should be pink and this blue. So I'll put it here. And at last, we'll go for this. So like this, we will complete this activity. I have left some spaces between all of these triangles so that child can perform this activity without any hassle. So I hope you get an idea that how beneficial this activity is for our kids. Just giving up pattern learning, eye-hand coordination, super focus and concentration, logical thinking, visualizing the colors, making their perception strong about the things. And when I have given this activity to Amish, initially in the first row I have to help him out, but as he moved forwards he did it pretty good. So now let's see how he's doing this one. If you find this video useful, then please like, and if you tried this with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.